Oh my god! I can't believe it. I'm in the Caribbean. Wow. I'm in the Caribbean. So nice. Wow. You know what we're doing with this car? Yeehaw! Yeah, I was kind of hoping it'd go on top. Oh no, there's a drowning boy out there. Save him. I'm the drowning one. Look at that boat. Oh yeah. I don't have any of my tools. How sad. Anyways, new mission. Up for a trip. Hope you've settled in after a long flight, and sorry about the rest of your tools, I just couldn't find a way to get them through security. No contract at the local PD gave my contact at the local PD gave me some intel on their alarm system. We need to shut it off in order to access their storage rooms. The alarm system can only be disabled unnoticed if the terminal are hacked within 1 minute. It's a bit of a run, but I have faith in you. New map? I already said that last time, but... Oh my god, I'm in the Caribbean! I can't believe it! Oh my god. Interesting. Now, if I remember correctly, there's a gun in here. Oh yes. Anyways, what am I actually doing? Hack the 2 main security things. What the hell, man? Why are they so far away? I'm never gonna make it in time. Whee. Obviously, we're gonna have to do that one last because. What am I stuck on? We're gonna have to do that one last because, well, it just makes sense. Oh no, the bridge. Who could have done this? Wonder if I can cut down this tree. Alright, that didn't work how I wanted it to. What about this one? Timber! Nah, let's spray in the water. If I jumped from up there, could I make it over here? Whee! Taking a lovely little swim. Over me! Hold on, where am I going? There. Alright, made it. I presume it's in here. Am I right? Oh. Okay. So I could... No, map ammo! Shit! I'll just break down this wall. I go through here and I get in this boat. Oh, actually. What if I get in this boat? This boat seems a lot faster. Shit. Whatever was in the back of that, I don't think I'm getting that back. Skirt. Oops. 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 We're fine. You know, the boat might be sinking. Oh, we'll cross that when it comes to it. So yeah, we'll drive the boat around. Drive it, I don't know, around here. Jumping off, getting a car. Around here, get out, hack in that, drive into there. I think that's the plan. Can I? Oh, perfect. Ram the boat into here. It's a little cubby hole. Come through here, jumping along here. Boom. Hacking. Jumping out here, getting in here, driving along there. Alright. Quick save, and let's go. I'm on the wrong way. Shit. It's fine, it's fine, it's redeemable. I just gotta run up here. I still got time. It's only 2. Wait, what? I need 4? 4? What? What do you mean I need 4? Outrageous. I need to rethink my plan. Never said I needed 4. Hack 2. Hack the 2 main security terminals and at least 2 communication towers. Oh, I see. Well, I didn't know that. So let's rethink our plan. Oh, it doesn't matter. Hi, bud. Oh, the door's still locked. It's up there. I could run along here. Run here. Up here. And now I'm here. I kind of thought there'd be another way in. And there is! Through the window! Just gonna borrow the chair. Can I hack this? No. Damn it. Here's the question. Can I get it off this? Oops. No, my ladder! Keep that. I need that for later. Hello. Get off. Quick save. Hey, there we go. Oh, I'm perfect. I don't even have to climb up there. Go across the bridge, run here, hack that, and hopefully I can use this ladder. Oh, perfect. That is perfect, man. I'm gonna come up here, I'm gonna hack that, and then, I don't know, just... Oh my god, it is a gun. Ah! It's out of ammo. Oh my god. I think it's gone. Run. Jump over here. Now, if I do this right, means better enough to climb up that. Quick save. Yes. Okay. Now. Oh. Fuck. Oh. Oh. Okay, that doesn't help me. Apple? Alright, as long as I can do that. Then I can hack that. And then perhaps, whee! Jump over here, and then jump down there. Perhaps. Let's go find out. Get out of here. Okay. Quick save for good luck. And let's go! Jump up. Over here. Hack this. Shit. Don't worry. Still got time. Ah! Okay. Still time. Ah! Perfect. I've still got time. Oh. I didn't... Oh. Didn't expect the alarm to just turn off. Well, it makes my life easier. Whee! Oh yeah. Alright, next mission. Yazoo! Get out of it. What the fuck? It's attacking me. Let me... Alright. Wow. This place looks lovely. Does it? Are we expanding? Damn. Great. Great. That you've managed to shut off the alarms. We need to proceed quickly before the night shift starts. Move the barrels from their storage room to secure evidence. Bring them with you, and the local PD will have them shipped to me. Alright, back to the island. Why are we at this island? I don't remember. Re-vacation. Alright, what am I doing? I gotta bring all the barrels. One's there, one's there, one's there, and one's there. There's 4. I think we should start with the one over here. Got the wrong one. Silly old me. No! Okay, I didn't think about that. Probably should have thought about that. I'm getting that back. Unless I was able to shoot a rocket at it. Oh, this mission's going to be difficult. I can just see it. Difficultly hard. I could probably use that boat. If I threw him on there. Thanks. Right, now where are they? Is that one? Is this what I'm looking for? It is. Any bullets around? That'll do. Run! Ooh. We do not want to get it in the water. Perfect. Alright, now let's go get the others. What's in here? Let's see. Where? Oh, it's down here now. Did I blow it up? Oh no, it's that. Whee! Alright. Predate! Predate! Save. Full steams ahead. 1, 2. To the ocean. Actually, wait, where are the next two? Behind me? I'm just gonna put it there, because I feel like it's gonna come out there. Whee! What'd I say? And I got a blowtorch. Get out of here. Whee! Alright. Back to the boat. Oh, and it's the last one. Perfect. La 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 la. Easy Stevens. Alright, let's get out of it. Woohoo! Well, I'm gonna sit back, relax, take in the sun, sipping on my martini on the beach. See you in the next one.